Hello, friends. I have received an email from a candidate management trainee in CWC. In fact, I have conducted an interview for CWC superintendent and also for accountant. In almost all these three interviews, the common factor will be questions about self, about the individual, like tell us about yourself. What are your strengths, weaknesses? What are your hobbies? Tell us about your family. Tell us why we should select you for this job. Tell us what makes you think that you are suitable for this job. And what are the things that you have enjoyed doing in the past. Likewise, the questions can range of these nature, and a lot of questions can come. Sometimes you may get a question like, do you want, have you learned from the mistake you have made in the past? What challenges are you looking for in this role? What is your biggest weakness? Then why should we hire you? More or less similar to the earlier questions I asked you. And it can also be like this. For example, how do you feel about, but it is a stress interview. Then name some current trends in the particular industry for which you are going for interview, namely Central Warehousing Corporation. So, as an interviewee, you must know about Central Warehousing Corporation, under which ministry it is there. Then, when was it started? Who is the chairman? Who is the managing director? Whatever it is, all the details. Please go through the websites you have to CWC itself. It is their own. So you can go through all those websites and try to know more about it. Then the questions can be about your experience in the past. Then the questions can come around like this. What are you motivated by? What is it that motivates you? And the question like, is the customer always right? What do you like about this position, management trainee or superintendent, whatever it is? Then what is competitiveness and the desire to succeed? What is competitiveness? How it helps one to succeed? Then also display where you have portrayed competitive attitude. What is your favorite brand? Then tell me a time when you had to make a sense of lot of information in a shot, that everything will be asked, but on the lines. But invariably, remember, the questions will be asked based on the answers you are giving, whatever answers you are giving. So do not give answers touching areas with which you are not familiar. You must tell about areas with which you are very confident of. Do not give vague answers. Do not give answers like say maybe, can be. List five most important things to you and justify the order. Five most important things for you and justify the order. And then the other question is like it can go, what type of manager do you respect the most, or what type of boss do you respect the most, or what are the qualities in the boss you like, the previous experience relating to say sales or management? Is there anybody in management in your family? Then do you have a question? Likewise, so some of these questions can be asked in an interview like this. However, as I told you, the questions will depend upon the answers you are giving. So I think based on this, you may think on these lines. And if you feel like the earlier one, I would have given in almost all the YouTube videos. I'm giving again, once again here. If you feel like having a mock interview, kindly send it to me through email, giving your phone number. I will call at say evening time, as I am in Canada now. That's the reason. So now it is Vladimir. Hello, I have a question about interview. Welcome, Zdrowski. You have interview. Welcome. Yeah. Now, actually, um, see, all this started about 45 days or 50 days ago when I started guiding people for LICAAO, and that the success rate has been extremely good. So, Vladimir, are you there online? Yeah, I think he's not there. No problem. Very good. So, best wishes.